Now, data may also be classified into primary and secondary data. So about the source, primary data are those that you have collected yourself. It may be through means such as distribution of questionnaire, interview, participant observation, and any other means. So they are very valuable in getting behavioral insights because the behavior of individual might not have been documented somewhere else. Secondary data are those that have been collected by somebody else. So most of the data for secondary data analysis or time series analysis are secondary, like data that have been collected by institutions such as Central Bank Statistical Bulletin, National Bureau of Statistics, World Bank Development Indicator, and the likes. So there are some data that were collected by those institutions using questionnaire. You can have maybe a global survey, a survey of enterprises, household survey. But since they have collected it, they now store it and give you access to analyze. So they have become a secondary data, but they are survey data. So their nature is different from those that are just like CBN statistical bulletin. So they will have more information. Now, social media data is one of the extreme of unstructured data that we mentioned. So to get some characteristics of those unstructured data, you see that social media data has a lot of noise. So that means unstructured data may have a lot of noise. That is, there are signals, information that may confuse or cloud the actual attributes, actual characteristics, actual information. So when you are using social media data, whatever we get, we usually validate. In research, this is called triangulation. You have two or three different methods of confirming the same information, so that you confirm that, okay, from this information, what we get from this method is validating what we will find here, so that you will know that the result is not just by mistake. So social media data may be misused. Now we are starting nature of big data. So that was unstructured data of large size. If you have different data of different forms working together, they are becoming big data. So big data is not about the size alone. While size is one of the characteristics, the variability and others are also there. So we know that it will be big. For example, Microsoft Excel has about 1 million rows. So if data is 2 million rows, unless it's split into different worksheets, so it may not be able to contain it. But you have other software that can open it. So if it's about 10 million rows, you may say it's a big data. However, if it is short, it's just 100, but 20 of it are video, another 10 are audio, another 10 are from web scraping, another part is Facebook scraping. It is already a big data. So we talk of characteristics of big data in terms of volume, variety, veracity, and velocity. So we will discuss it in the next video. Thank you.